follow me to my small workshop. Yeah, it's really small. Uh, this is our building, and this is our house 103. My workshop is too small, so I put some stuff at the lobby. Sometimes security remind me to bring them into my room, but my room full of space, so I couldn't put inside. Now, ta-da! This is my workshop. It's a small. Actually, I just had the workshop from this one to this one. Enough. Yeah, just only around this area, because the kitchen room or in the living room is that is our common space, so I couldn't put on stuff at the kitchen room or living room, because I share this house with my roommate. So I just only have a living room like this to be our workplace. This is my material for doing our product. As you can see, it's so many boxes, woodens. Yeah, so many wooden machine only. So one of machine I use it. I put it inside. When I need to do, I will put it out of the box. This is my computer, my work area. When I producing the canvas printing, when I'm producing canvas printing or wall clock painting, I will clear trời ơi trời sắp mưa rồi. Trời ạ. When I'm producing products, this is a table for me to producing, or I will producing on the floor like this, because it's very small, so I will try my best to use this small display to produce our product. With the small size, of product, I will producing on this table. It's table by wooden, so it's very stable for me to do. When I do on this table, of course, I will clear wood on my laptop in the backpack like this. I will put my laptop wood inside this. To this table will clearly don't have anything on table, and then I will producing our product. For example, it is small size, so small wooden, so I put on this one, and I will try to produce drilling. This is one of my machine. This is one of my machine, and this is so many stuff here. Wooden frame. This is my book. I have so many books. This is my favorite notebook. I always have a notebook like this. Yeah, I like to write down my idea or I will take some notes when they have something suddenly come out in my mind. Yeah, this is my favorite project, burn with the brightest flame. And let's look like this. Now, this is one of my products. This is a project means better attitude than better knowledge. Yeah. This is printable boxes, frame, boxes, printable. One of my products. This is boxes are fun. All of this is my book. I have many books about personal development, personal skill, and business. All of this is my book. All of so many books inside here. Myself is full of book, so I put it on this over there. Yeah, this one. This is my cosmetics. I see. In my frame. So messy inside. Yeah. That's it. This is my clothing cabinet. This is a refrigerator. Okay. Okay, this is all my workplace. I often get up around 5:15 a.m. When I get up, I will drink water, and then I will doing Tabata exercise. Follow the YouTube around 10 minutes to 15 minutes